Hey guys, today I'm going to be adding a quick disconnect to my natural gas so that I can plug my generator into here. I'm going to be using this service port that's coming right out from my house. Here's my gas meter. Just a quick disclaimer, this is for entertainment purposes only. If you do this, please make sure that you seek the proper permits and you follow all your local regulations. Most importantly, please stay safe. This is potentially dangerous stuff, and you should definitely know what you're doing before you do any of it. So yeah, stay safe, guys. With that out of the way, let's go inside and let's go take a look at the parts that I'm going to be needing to do this project. So the items that I'll need for this project are a bunch of wrenches. I have 2 pipe wrenches with serrated teeth, and then I have 2 wrenches that are smooth. You need both for the different parts that you're going to be disconnecting and connecting. I have some pipe dope. So next we have a whole bunch of nipples to connect everything together. Then we have the valve that will connect directly to the house. When you're getting these valves, there's 2 things that you want to be careful of. You want to make sure that you get a full bore valve, meaning that the hole inside is full diameter. And you also want to make sure that it's outdoor rated if you're going to use this outdoors. So the rating for outdoor is either the CGA 3.16, which is the Canadian standard, or 125G. The other thing you might see on it besides 125G is potentially BRS 125G. Those basically are the same things and just mean that this can be used outdoors. The next thing I have here is this black iron tee. Some jurisdictions require to use galvanized metal. For my jurisdiction, it's fine to use black iron, and then I'm going to be painting over it. Out of the 3 sides, these are all 3/4 inch. And lastly, I have this quick disconnect here. This is the female side. I talked about this in my last video, but just to recap, the standard I went with is the Z21.41 quick disconnect standard, and that's rated directly for natural gas. There are many different types of standards, like the ISO 7241, which is for hydraulic quick disconnect standard, but I went with Z21.41. Just be careful when you get these. There's some that's rated only for indoor use, which is rated between 32 degrees and 200. The indoor-outdoor ones are rated for -20 to 200 degrees. As I said, I have some spray paint to paint over the black iron after I have that installed. Lastly, I have this really long gas hose. I did not want to pay full price for this. When I was looking at the Motor Snorkel website, I think it would come out to like $300 or $400 or something like that. So what I did instead is I found I think 2 30-foot or 25-foot lengths and then 1 30-foot length on some overstock supply stores, and then I just bought that and put this all together. I think I spent $150 or $200 on this, so about half the price that it would usually go for. So I'm going to dry fit this all together before taking this out. So this is going to come from the hose, from the house. We'll have that coming out this way. Then this is going to be going into this tee here. We're going to have that cap on this end. And then I'm going to have this going downward. some iron filings still on here. Okay, so it's going to go downward and then have this quick disconnect coming out of it. So that's how it's going to look like in a nutshell. Alright, let's go turn off the gas and do this. Okay, I'm going to go inside and verify that the gas is all off. Alright, let's make sure that the gas is all out. And that's the gas. All being drained. Okay, I think I'm ready to go work on opening it up. Alright, I'm going to crack this open. Point of no return. Okay, now we got it going. So just an FYI from my research, you can have the quick disconnect facing downward, but you can't have it facing upward because I guess you don't want water to get in the quick disconnect. So just be mindful of that. I'm going to stick that right there. It's all dirty. It's messy. Alrighty. I'm gonna get a paper towel and wipe this all up, but I think this is mostly it. I'm gonna have to check if there's leaks with soapy water, with dish detergent water, and then I'm going to have to spray paint this, and then we'll be done and ready to test. Alrighty, I got paper towel. Let's clean this up, and I also got soapy water. Alright, that's all cleaned up now. I'm going to turn the gas back on. Let's check for leaks. No bubbles. Alright, I'm going to turn this thing on. This quick disconnect should keep any gas from coming out. And then I need to test the rest of this for leaks. Okay, no gas, good. I don't see any bubbling. So I'm going to put some tape because I don't want to paint the brass parts. Just need to paint the iron parts. While I'm here, I guess I'll also touch up the other parts that started having paint chips, because these parts will start rusting. Alright guys, so this is the finished product for today. I'm running out of sunlight, so I'm gonna have to test if this works with the generator probably tomorrow or maybe next Saturday or whatnot. So we have the quick disconnect connected to a T connected to this valve, and this valve is going to the house. I turned on all the gas and everything looks good, so I'm happy there's no leaks, and I'll come back next time to show you guys this connected to the generator. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate all your input, and I appreciate you guys watching this. Thank you. Bye.